Clip 3, 5 parts of a study. All right, now we just talked about developing some kind of theoretical framework to guide your study. Some people don't, some researchers are even a little shaky about being that specific, that a theoretical framework might prejudice the kinds of things you would look for in your interviews, for example, in the care theory example. And in that case, there are some researchers that would wait until after the interviews were conducted to see what theory the findings might relate to. So there are studies like that, and there will be researchers and professors who might want you to proceed that way. But there's still a relationship to theory. Your study still has some kind of relationship. Theory in some way helps interpret, or is the theorists in particular areas are there for you to converse with, to have conversations with about your findings. So anyway, you also, if you are flexible, even if you have a theoretical framework, always be flexible to find other things in your interviews. Yes, the theory helps guide the questions you ask your participants and how you analyze them, but always leave yourself open to asking things that, was there anything that I didn't ask you that you wanted to talk about? Now, we do have a section on types of interviews, and some of them can be very structured, and you may only need the specific answers that to questions that you've asked in the interview. I just always like to have extra material, even in a really structured study, but particularly the less structured your study gets, the more fluid you are with the theoretical framework. It's particularly important to find out whatever they want to, whatever your participants want to tell you. Now, methodology. That's number 3 in the 5 parts of a study.